It's raining. Oh, it's really raining, and just want to say something to you is that I was wrong. That I get it now. Like I won't ignore you, and I promise that I will love you forever and always. Because I was actually really wrong. I hope you will love me back. Along with the rain, with this book that has been on my head, showing how much you love me. So thank you for everything, and I get it now. I was wrong. And I want you back. This is the book of us. And now it's wet. But it's all about written about you. So even the book is wet. It's still in my memory.